Hello IT Borneo viewers. In this tutorial, we will share to you how to find your IP address on Windows. In here, we have 3 ways to find your IP address on Windows. So you can choose which one you want to use. Well, way number 1 is use Windows setting, number 2 is use control panel, and the last use CMD. With both control panel and CMD, we can use it on Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7 and more. But Windows setting is only on Windows 10. So if you use Windows 7 or Windows 8, you can use control panel and CMD. Before the tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you like the video. Okay, way number 1 is use Windows setting. So in here, on network icon, right click on it and click open network and internet setting and click view your network properties. And in here, scroll to down until find a Wi-Fi. Well, we find it. Okay, in here we find our IP address. Way number 2 is use control panel. So in here, open start menu and look for control panel and click on it. In here on network and internet, select view network status and task. In here we will see a Wi-Fi. It depends on your computer. Maybe it's Wi-Fi or maybe Ethernet. So it's still same. And click on it. And click for details. Well, in here we find our IP address, IPv4 address. Okay, the last is the coolest way to find your IP address is use CMD. So still on start menu, look for CMD or command prompt, click on it and click this and type the syntax, that is ipconfig/all, and enter. Well, in here we will see wireless LAN adapter Wi-Fi. In here we will find our IP address. Okay, that's all how to find your IP address on Windows. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe so we can create other more video like this. And thank you.